The battery, I had that idea from the very beginning. The solar is great and it generates energy during the day, but then when you come home from work, you want to use the energy, and you really need the batteries to store that energy that you save during the day. And instead of selling it to the grid for a discounted price, you want to really use that energy for yourself. Since I already have APsystems microinverters installed on my roof, it was a very easy decision to make to go with the APsystems batteries, as they were really great to use, and I'm expecting the same outcome from the batteries, and I just want to use one app to control both.
Batteries are a popular upgrade for solar owners because you can harness the power that you've produced during the day and use it during the night, and saves you having to buy it back at peak times. The APsystems ecosystem works really well because it's very smart, especially in the case where you've already got microinverters from APsystems. It works really well with the battery. APsystems is really good for solar owners because it's very smart and very efficient. The system's very easy to install. For installers, as far as monitoring goes, it's just an app. It tells you everything that's going on with the system, and if you have any issues, you get notified about it. All around, just a very good system.
From the APsystems battery, I'm hoping to get the benefits of when I come home, I will plug in my electric car. Then I'm not going to be buying the energy from the grid, but I'm just going to use the energy from my batteries that I saved up during the day. If you got already installed solar on your roof, in the current environment, it's a no-brainer to install a battery. And as well with the government incentives, it really makes it easy. Tasmania Safer Solar done a great job with the solar installation, and I was very comfortable with them to complete the battery installation, and it has been a great process from start to finish that gave me the confidence to go with them again.